Yo, what's up, guys? Travis Peters here. I wanted to make this video because this last Black Friday through Cyber Monday, we did, for one of my clients, we did $102,000 in sales, which is a huge jump. It's almost, we did about 65 to 70 grand last year. So I implemented a couple cool tactics and even just our normal flow and formula. I think it's going to be super helpful for you. This is for a physical product. They have an e-commerce product, not drop shipping. It's literally something that they have a team that builds. It's in the luxury photography niche. So it's actually a pretty cool example, and I think it's going to be inspirational for you. I'm going to show you how I do the marketing for them. Again, this is just one of my clients. I really enjoy it, and I'm going to show you our strategy just because it's worked so well 2 years in a row, and we did a couple cool things this year. It's going to help you. So whether you sell physical products or digital courses or whatever, there's going to be some stuff in here you can learn from, take it, implement it, and make you some money with it. So I'll try to break this down best I can. I'm going to show you here. This is, let's go back and let's select, boom, till there. And you can see we did $102,763 and a nice little 67 cents on top. So I'm going to go over here, and something I like to do is kind of whiteboard out a lot of these strategies for you. Here is essentially what it looks like. We've got a list. Let's see. He's got an email list of about 24,000 people. And we do a decent amount of email marketing. So I build this list. When they land on the Shopify store, we do a pop-up and we give a 10% discount on your next order. And then we use some scarcity and urgency to make them buy quickly. Now they are in the funnel, and that's how I've built that list over the years. So we got about 24,000 people there. Here's what I did. Now, I really want you to get this in your head. Building pressure is key. All right. We have to build pressure here when we're going to do anything. We want to make things feel like events, make them feel like a launch. Even if things are automated, we want to give it that feel. So just a quick rundown of what we did. This is going to be the week of Black Friday. So the week of Black Friday, that Monday, I sent out an email, and I just said about our Black Friday sale. Little side tip, we do a lot of copywriting here. We do a lot of email marketing for my business and the clients. Little tips, things like keeping things lowercase. It's funny, but I literally wrote just like this, lowercase. It's crazy how much that increases open rates. So about our Black Friday sale. And what I put inside here was essentially, I kept it short, no pictures. I literally said, we're going to be doing our deepest site-wide discount we have ever done. Things are going to sell out quickly. If you want to be the first to know about our sale before the public, click here. And what I did is that sent them to Messenger. I'll put together a little cheat sheet for you guys, a little checklist below this video you guys can download. So a little more detail about our Black Friday sale. And what I did is I got them onto our Messenger. We use ManyChat. And I got them onto our Messenger list. Then on Wednesday, I basically resent the same email, just a different headline, and I think I switched the wording up, but basically the same thing. Get on the Messenger list. All right. Now, a couple little key things going on here. These are our little teasers. What we're doing is we're building pressure. We're building some excitement about the event that's coming. If you can position it as like your deepest, I didn't say deepest discount we've ever offered. I said deepest site-wide sale, which was true. And I had to talk to the owner. I had to get him down because on some of the products we did a 15% off site-wide. And for his situation, that makes some of his products, he doesn't make any profit. He actually just breaks even on some of his products. So I had to really teach him, and if you got clients, you have to do this too sometimes. I had to coach him through how important it is just to acquire a customer. So on this giant sale, most of his things do have a great profit margin. It's just some of his really high-end leather goods that don't. And so I'd basically sell them on why breaking even is actually a great thing. We acquired the customer. They will continue to buy from him. He does put out great products, and his fans become very loyal. People who buy from him continue to buy from him. So had to coach him through that. If you got clients, coach them through that. You'll need to. Now, remember Thursday, Thanksgiving, and I did two things on Thursday. The first, and then over here, let me say this real quick. Once they did sign up for Messenger, they clicked the ref link and they signed up for our Messenger list. Now, again, the reason you want to do a Messenger list, just for those who don't know, in email, if you crush the game, you might get a 15, I can sometimes get a 20% open rate. All right. But on Messenger, we get an 85 to 92% open rates. All right. So they're still super hot. They're still crushing it. If you can get these kind of open rates, think about how much more sales you're going to make just numbers wise, just doing the numbers. So on Thursday, what we did is we went over here and we said, I sent an email. Let's see, how did I do that? On this right here, once they signed up for the Messenger, they clicked the ref link, signed up for Messenger, and I basically sent them a message that said, hey, you're awesome. I'm going to send you the code to unlock, I use the unlock emoji, to unlock your discount at 4 p.m. on Thursday. And I tell them, keep your eyes peeled. All right, so they're expecting it. These are eyeballs. Keep your eyes peeled. I'm going to be sending the discount code and unlocking it a day early for you guys, 4 p.m. on Thursday. So people are all excited, right? Oh, cool. Before everybody else, you want to use those types of things. That feeling is very important. Make them feel like they're getting something special, getting something early. Their status is increasing because they get it unlocked before everybody else. So Thursday at 4 p.m., I sent out the Messenger blast, this big one, the one that said, boom, it's unlocked. Let's go. Just for you guys on this list, not even the public. Put your stuff in the cart, pull the trigger, because some of our products will sell out. All right, guys, I did not send the email to the big list. This had, I'll have to go look. I think it only had maybe 980 people. I'll have to double check my numbers, but 980 people on the Messenger list from the people we pulled over from the email list. That day alone, guys, 22K in sales. That's the power of Messenger, plus some good sales copy, making it fun, making them feel a certain way. Got to make them feel special. And then it's also a combination of there's some urgency to it, right? Hurry before everything else goes, everyone else comes, and it sells out. All right. That's a big deal. People would be thrilled with this. Now, here's what made it different from last year. I told you last year we did about 70K in our Black Friday sales, Black Friday to Cyber Monday. But this, because we went a day early, we didn't do this last year. I did a similar secret kind of sale feel, but it was just Black Friday. I didn't do it Thursday. So doing it Thursday had some magic to it, okay? I know it's Thanksgiving. People are still shopping. Number two, on Thursday, I did send an email to the list at about 7 p.m. and I've done this every year for these guys, and it's basically like another teaser. Keep your eyes peeled Friday morning, because we are going to be doing our biggest sale ever. It's basically the strategy I'd be doing had I not included Messenger. So basically just getting them excited about tomorrow. I'll even say things like, guys, our stuff sells out fast. So what I want you to do, this is a good one, guys. You can have this for free. I want you to do this. Because we sell out fast, I want you to go in right now to our website. Here's the link. And I want you to add to cart all the things you're dreaming about getting tomorrow. I want you to add them to cart. That way at 12:01 a.m. when the discount goes live, you'll be able to just pull the trigger and no one can steal your stuff. That's basically what I said. Guys at work like gangbusters, man. I'm telling you, it was awesome. So Friday, I basically just sent an email in the morning saying it's on, let's go, here's the code. And then Tuesday it was shutting down. Then Saturday, it was, these are all emails. All right, excuse me. On Friday, no, I didn't do it. I don't think I did a messenger. On Saturday, basically, or what we did is extended one more day. We had an overwhelming response, which was true. Extended one more day. Keep saving. This is a great time to shop, get gifts for people for Christmas. And then 2, shutting her down. Sunday at 7 p.m. at night, sent an email that was teasing Cyber Monday. Then Monday, did 2 emails, basically the same as over here, or same as over here. It's like, let's go. The sale is on, and this one was different. We did 17% off, and we just did certain products. So like some of his best selling products. And I actually had to make a list. It wasn't pretty, but I literally had to make a list of all the things that were on sale and put them inside the email. So here's what's funny is it's Cyber Monday's on, shutting her down, and then I do this every year. On Tuesday, I say, Cyber Monday extended one more day, just like we did back here on the Saturday. One more day. What's funny is I forgot to set up a messenger blast to cover these 2 days. And here's what happened. I didn't tell my client this, but my goal was to get him 100K from Thursday to Tuesday. So the Black Friday, Cyber Monday blowout. Wanted to make him $100,000. Okay. It was Tuesday at, I think, 4 p.m. and we were at $98,200. And I shot him a screenshot, shot him a text. I said, we're so close. And he was like, make it happen, bro. And so I realized, I went and looked, I was like, oh, I didn't send a messenger blast for Cyber Monday. So I went in and I pulled up Messenger and I did a very curiosity-based hook. I sent a blast out to the list, and it just said, it was the mind blown emoji. There's a little face. Look it up, and it's got the mind's blown, right? And I just said, pulled in the first name, and I just said, Travis, whatever the first name is, did you hear the news? That's all it said. And it was like, the options were, no, what is it? And then, yes, it was awesome. And then not interested. And from there, everybody who said, no, what is it? Or yes, I have heard, because some people just click stuff, is I sent them a message and I said, 17% off Cyber Monday is ending tonight at midnight. And this is Tuesday. I sent this out again about 4 p.m. And that pushed us over the edge. We ended up with 102K. Now, I know this looks crazy. I'll kind of clean it up and put it in a cheat sheet or something down below. But guys, couple things here you have to realize, I have to get you to understand. Is one, I had an early on mentor, and he gave me some advice, and it's always worked for me over the 25 or 45 ventures and clients and all the stuff I've done online. I've taken this with me, and I email with reckless abandon. All right. Email like crazy. Just email. I don't try to overthink it. Since what I do, I actually build out a lot of automations. So this guy has a lot of follow-up sequences and welcome sequences that new people who are opting into my list, they're basically getting bombarded with my current autoresponder sequences plus this stuff. I don't care. I literally just email with reckless abandon. If I bug people too much, I actually don't worry about bugging people. It's Actually, you're going to get less unsubscribes than you realize. And here's the honest truth is I've got personally, I've got several large email lists. I got clients who have large email lists. And once you hit a certain point, you actually want your list to get smaller. And I didn't understand that until I got there. But your monthly bill for MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, it starts to get higher and higher and higher the bigger your list gets. But you realize the people engaging isn't necessarily growing. So we get to a spot where I was literally emailing people trying to get them to unsubscribe at one point. So like, just trust me, email with reckless abandon. All right, your fortune will always be in your follow up, and don't be afraid to do these like little gimmicky things, right? Like extended one more day. All right, we're shutting it down. Another huge thing. I'm trying to think of all the keys I can. Keys to success. A key is using countdowns. I'll show you the tool I use. I'll put it in the link in the cheat sheet or something. But I use countdowns in my emails. It's changed the game. I found a company about 4 years ago that allows you to do this. The countdown literally lives in your email. I'm telling you, my money went up on every venture I've ever done. I use it on everything, and I use it with all of my clients. Put them in all the sequences, and it always increases conversions and sales. So you want to use countdowns, okay? Countdowns are huge. The next thing is, I know I'm all over the place, is I keep an element of fun and humor in my emails and Messenger. Use GIFs. I make little one-liner jokes. I use references to movies and Star Wars because some of the audiences are nerdy and geeks, right? It's super fun for me. I use things like over here, you're going to unlock, right? People just like that word. You're going to unlock the discount code a day early before the public. Get in before the public. That type of stuff is huge, guys. So using emails, if you got an email list, or your clients do, you want to pull them over to Messenger. Give them a reason to come to Facebook Messenger, to MiniChat. You want to build your MiniChat subscriber list because think about it. I was able to pull out an extra about $5,000 at the last minute right here because I did the messenger blast. I did a messenger blast, and because we built his subscriber list up big, it pulled in an extra 5K in about 3 or 4 hours and put him over that top of the 100K mark. All right, so I'll put it all in a little cheat sheet or something below. I hope this has helped you. I hope it's blessed you. I hope you can take something from here, apply it to yourself, or apply it for one of your clients. And yeah, click below, download the cheat sheet. I got other cool stuff for you. Talk to you guys soon.